This is just how I modify Powerline wheels to make them a bit more pleasing to the eye. Take an axle out, then just push the two wheels together so it looks like that. And I put it in my drill. Get a file. Run the drill. Just keep filing it back. You think it looks about right. A bit more. That looks good. Then I just pry the two wheels apart again. It's a bit tricky, that bit. And I just get a lighter file and just run it on the edges. And then it's just a matter of bringing the wheels back apart again. I might need two screws. Push the wheels apart. Then just get the verniers, set the backs to back, and you get nice lower profile wheels. Thank you.